RH stock Tuesday, Monday, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So RH stock, just RH, you know, it's 17% up on Friday, which is phenomenal. Last week report, 18% gains. We'll come to a conclusion that Friday was the main carrier, you know, Friday carried. And right now, I actually had a quite the opposite prediction. You know, I was talking about whether I have like if I have a double break, then and only then I'm moving short. I never got the first break, not the second. You know, we're not even speaking about the second. And obviously I was not a part of it, and I never even traded it. One, because my rules were never met, and two, I just never got my alert set. So with RH, what I'm going to do is just get rid of this. And since now the price started breaking up, it's a proper good time to maybe capitalize on the bullish side. Now guess what? Notice how I'm not just going to randomly start buying here. You know, I want to see the price. Doesn't have to specifically come to a side of demand area, but more so if it comes inside this demand area and then gives me a double break, this is going to be something that I'll long. So what I'll do is this, put like a little confirmation here. That's it. Right, so that's how RH looks like for me. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter. Click the first link in the description.